How to view Trust Wallet transactions in 2 minutes. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to view Trust Wallet transactions in 2 minutes. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Trust Wallet application on your device. Once opened, make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once you have ensured that you are signed in, you will be led to the home page of Trust Wallet. You will then be able to see the tokens that has been added on your main wallet in Trust Wallet. Simply tap on the cryptocurrency of your choice in the token section. I will tap on BNB. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the transactions using that particular cryptocurrency. Mine is empty since I have not made any transactions yet. But if you have, you will be able to see it right here on the screen. So, this is how you can view Trust Wallet transactions in 2 minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.